Hi, welcome to the final video in the series of Mastering Regular Expressions. In this series, we have learned a lot about regular expression in various videos. We will have a quick recap of different learnings that we had in this series, and after that, we will see solutions for the different practice questions that we came across in this series in different videos. So, let's dive in this together. First, we learned about quantifiers. Quantifiers allow us to specify how many of the characters should be matched in our text corpus. For example, star is used to match 0 or more item, plus is used for 1 or more item, or question mark is used for 0 or 1 item. And similarly, we have this bracket notation which says minimum number of characters n is required and maximum should be m. Then we learned about anchors. Anchors help us to specify matching rules for the corners. These corners can be of strings or of lines or word characters. For example, /A matches the start of a string and /Z matches end of a string. Line anchors are the most widely used anchors. Caret specifies the start of line and dollar specifies the end of the line. Similarly, /B and capital B are used to match start or end of the words, and capital B is just negation of initial B. Then we learned about meta sequences. Meta sequences or meta characters are special characters in regular expressions which specify how the regular expression around them are interpreted. For example, if I want to match any single character, I can make use of dot. Alternate matcher is a pipe matcher. For example, we have A pipe B. It will match either A or B. Similarly, /S is used for matching any white space characters and /D is used for matching digits. And there are other meta sequences as well. After that, we had a look on modifiers. Modifiers or flags are instructions for the regular expression engine for modifying the behavior of search. So if I want to match the regular expression in multi-line mode, I will use the M modifier, and if I want to make it case sensitive, I will use the I modifier. After that, we had a look on grouping. Grouping is done to match several distinct patterns inside the same target string. For example, if I want to match ABC in continuation, I can create a group of ABC. And after that, we also had a look how we can create comment inside the groups. And we also had a look on named groups that can be used to match repetitively in search pattern. Next, we had a look on character classes. Character classes are something that allow us to match any one character from a set of characters. For example, if I am writing ABC, this particular character class will match either A, B or C. If I use character in the start of this character class, it will match anything except these three characters. So now we had a good recap of the different learnings that we had. So the first practice question that we came across in this series was explain why India is a valid regular expression. India is a valid regular expression that would match any string that contains the exact sequence of characters India. Let's see one example. So over here we have regex 101 where we were practicing different regular expression. Here is a sentence, India is a country in South Asia. Let's say I am writing India. So what it is doing, it is matching the exact pattern for India. So it's a valid regular expression. Next practice question was to write a regular expression to match all digits except your birthday digit. Okay, so let's say my birthday is 1st of July. So I want to match all the digits except 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, and whenever 1 is there, it will not match 1. It will match all other characters or all other digits that are there in the current input. So I can make use of negation of the digit that I don't want to use. Now, when I'm writing caret 1, it will also match other characters. Let's say if I'm writing any character, it will also match them. So it will match everything except 1. Not only digits but also characters. One follow-up question for you on this would be how we can write regular expression that matches only digits and doesn't matches any character. So the next question that we encountered was to write regular expression to find non-ASCII character from the given string. We know that ASCII characters are having hexadecimal numbers from 0 to 127. So this is printable characters. Over here I would see what are the non-printable characters. These are starting from hexadecimal 0 and the printables are starting from the hexadecimal 20 and are going up to 7f, which is 127. So ASCII has 128 characters and we need to find out any character which is outside of this range. So what we can do is we can make use of negation in the hexadecimal character set. Let's understand that through one example. Okay, coming to regex 101, we see that we have a text string, some random numbers are here, and over here what I have done, I have copy pasted these smileys which are part of Unicode over here. So let's try to write regular expression that will filter out only ASCII characters. So ASCII characters start from 0 and they go up to 7f, that is 127. Okay, so it is not matching with the characters which have hexadecimal values that we have written over here. So it is matching with all the smileys that we are seeing over here, but it is not matching with the ASCII characters that are standard. So such kind of questions can be very easily solved with the help of hexadecimal numbering system. Coming to the next question, we were asked to write a regex using character classes that matches non-printable characters. It is quite straightforward and similar to what we just saw, because if we see what are the printable characters and what are non-printable characters, so we can very easily write one regular expression that selects only printable characters. From the printable characters we can see that hexadecimal value 20 is there and it runs up to 127. So 127 decimal, which is equivalent to 7f hexadecimal. So we can write a regular expression that will look like /x00 running up to 1f. Let's see this using one example. Over here I have pasted a string which includes some non-printable characters. So as we saw, the non-printable characters can be selected. I am removing the negation because we don't need it. And non-printable characters in ASCII run from x00 hexadecimal to x1f. So anything between these two hexadecimal numbers will be selected. Over here we are matching something that is not printable. So now we have answered all of the questions that we came across in this series. Now it's a time for more practice. So what I have done, I have created a multi-choice regular expression quiz for you guys. You can go on this URL and practice over there. Alright, I hope that you will be able to apply regex in your coding work. Keep talking and I'll see you soon in another video.